Hello, guys. Hello, everyone. Good evening. How are you today? Hope you had a wonderful time. Well, thank you once again for joining me. We're going to be doing awesome things. Thank you so much. If you are a returning subscriber, it is you who is making this channel grow. Thank you so much. Your efforts in watching the videos is well appreciated. Please, I appreciate all your efforts. If you've not subscribed, please click the subscription button, okay? That's the only way you can encourage me, and it could also help my channel grow. So thank you so much. So let's go straight into what we're going to be doing today. Today I'm going to be making my own version of a chicken sauce. So I'm going to be making a chicken sauce. I'm going to be using a lot of vegetables to make it because that's the way I like it. Remember, it's a recipe. A recipe means you doing what you have with the available ingredients that you have in the house. So I'm making my own chicken sauce recipe today. So I'm using fresh tomato, fresh pepper. I'm using spring onion, the leafy part of the spring onion. I have onion and I have green beans. I have my carrots and I have my sweet pepper. And lastly, I have my chicken, which I've marinated with onion, thyme, rosemary, curry powder, ajinomoto seasoning, and also knorr cube. So that's what I marinated it with. Then I had to leave it in the fridge to cool for like 2 hours. So let's go into the cooking process. In a clean pan, I'm going to be I'm using Devon King's oil. So just add as much as you want. So I think I still need a little bit. So I'm going to let the oil get hot. Okay, right now I'm going to be I'm doing it on a low steam. So I'm stir frying on a low steam. And you can use any part of the chicken that you prefer, okay? I'm not using a chicken breast. I'm using the thigh of the chicken. So what I did was I took my time in deboning it. So that's the chicken part I could find readily available in my area. So we're going to let it cook or fry for a few minutes, for like 10 minutes. Then we start the next process. Let's check on it. Okay, so it's soft and well cooked, so we're going to take it off the fire. The same pan I use for the frying. Add the onion. So I'll let it fry until it's translucent. That should take roughly a minute because my oil is already hot. So it's okay now. The fresh pepper and the tomato. Okay, so because this has a little bit of moisture in it, like water. Alright, so we're going to let the water in the tomato dry. So we're going to be cooking it for 5 minutes. So after 10 minutes, you can say, so off camera, I forgot I added tomato paste to it, 2 spoons of tomato paste. So now I'm going to be adding the green beans and spring onions. Going to give it a beautiful stir. And also let it cook for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we'll come back to check on it. So right now we're introducing the meat into, going to be adding a sweet pepper. So at this point I'm going to stir it properly. So after stirring it properly, at this point you're going to taste. Alright, so if you actually marinated your meat before you started frying, okay, you need to taste the salt so you don't have excess salt in it. But if you did not marinate, you still need to taste for salt and know what else to add. So I'm going to be adding curry into it. So I'm using onga. Feel free to use any curry of your choice. I'm using onga, so feel free to use any of your choice. So I'm adding mine. So I'm adding ajinomoto spice just to give it that little sweetness. Alright, so our food is basically cooked. And the last ingredient is I'm going to stir down properly and I'll get back. So this is what it looks like. So we're going to let it cook for another 5 minutes so that the carrot will get soft, a little bit soft and chewy. After 5 minutes, you can see. All right, so if you taste and your vegetables are still a bit strong, so you can just boil it more, except you like it a little bit strong and crunchy. So I want this one a little bit more strong and crunchy, so it's perfect for me. So right now we're done. You see, it looks so nice and my kitchen smells wonderful. Oh, I can't wait to eat this evening. Okay, our food is ready. Can you see it? It looks amazing, doesn't it? Wow, thank you for watching.